Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Got a really stained, dirty toilet. I'll tell you what this is in just a second. And right up in the rim, culprit for lots of smells, disgusting bacteria that's hard to get, particularly with your toilet brush cleaner, especially if you don't have one that gets up and bends and gets under the lip. Here's a little trick that I have for you. What you want to do, this is one of my favorites, by the way. Take some hydrogen peroxide, put a little nozzle on it, just like I have right here. You want to keep it in the brown bottle because when this is exposed to light, it breaks down the powerful and effectiveness of the hydrogen peroxide. Why do I like this? Because you can get up under the rim. You want to spray on in here, way down in here, on the side. You can flip it around, get everywhere in your toilet where you have stains, bacteria, smells that you cannot get up with regular old bleach or anything else that you've used around your house. And you're gonna let this sit for as long as possible. There's a couple tricks that I have here. Up around here, especially if you have brown staining, you certainly can take some toilet paper, stick it in there, drenched in hydrogen peroxide so that it sticks to the toilet where the stains are. That's kind of annoying and time consuming and a little bit gross and disgusting. Yes, I should have a glove on, but I'm not touching anything inside the toilet right here. And I will, of course, wash my hands for all you clean freaks. So what you're gonna do, put your hydrogen peroxide on there, let it sit, and you're gonna come back and you're gonna give it a good scrub. I'm gonna show you the next step. There we go. We got a little left here in the bowl. So what I'm gonna do, if this toilet was severely stained in around the rim, I'm gonna come back in with this hydrogen peroxide. I would say every couple of hours, spray it in all the hard to reach places and let it sit. And you're gonna do this several times until you get at those stains. Now you certainly could get a pumice stone. However, I will caution you, it does leave minor, small scratches on the porcelain. After a while, it can make your toilet look dirtier. Does it work? Yes, but I have to warn that can be an outcome of it. So that's why I love this hydrogen peroxide method right here. And come back as often as you need to spray in there. So not only is it gonna smell better because you've killed all the bacteria, but the bleaching qualities of this hydrogen peroxide is gonna make your porcelain actually look porcelain white again. Oh, and a bonus tip right here, since this is so easy, spray it on your brush when you get done cleaning. Close that up and it's ready to go next time that you need to clean your toilet. And for those of you that have guessed Hershey's chocolate syrup in the toilet, you are right. And in fact, rather than using bleach, which has a strong smell, or any other sort of household cleaner, I would opt for hydrogen peroxide in my cleaning arsenal over other toilet cleaning products. Let me know if you would agree with that one in that comments box below. Give this video a thumbs up. Click the video on screen now for more amazing and clever cleaning and life hacks. See you in the next one.